Shit, I forgot to edit all of this, yo. I don't even have any tags. Who does that? Oh, wait, I just said shit. I guess I'm going to be fucking age restricted again. Shit's fucking annoying, yo. Boom. Boom. That's right. Subscribers only mode. Gotta earn the right to chat in this chat. Okay, chat? Thanks, chat. Who's out there? I'm not here for a long time, just a good time. I'm finally going hitting for the first time in like 5 weeks. Haven't swung a bat since I fucked my other finger up next to my other fucked up finger. But we're going to see how it goes. Who's out here? Ron with the large pips. Where have you been, bro? Where have you been? Haven't seen you in forever. Since Nam. What are you, hanging out with other streamers? Huh? Hanging out with other streamers who don't even show their fucking executions? Don't even show their accounts? Oh, man. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm having too much fun. Oh, shit. I missed such a golden opportunity. In the golden shower pocket, of course. Ha! Amazing. Let's try this again. Let's try this again. Oh, is it going to bounce off the 707, not the 786? Fuck! Who else is here? Brandy Allen, Cave Trader, Tim Morgan, Cooking Trade. Hey, where have you been, Cooking Trade? I haven't seen you in forever either. Not even hanging out in the Discord anymore. Wow. Was it something I said? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Olivier. What a name. What a username. 007 Clench. Sean, what up? Cameron Fisher. A milli. Grizzly. Slick Rick, the ruler. Maximus. That's how I should open the stream, right? Shit. Josh Jagasar. Florencia. Hot Shot. Yeah, I added to Lucid, all right. Yeah, this, you see these accounts? These are the ones, these are the two accounts I just got paid on. I made the executive decision and the big boy responsible decision to take the payout after Wednesday's session instead of trying to push for max payout land, because I hit the daily loss limit today. So all I wanted to do was give myself some breathing room, and I did. And I got a $100 day out of the way too. But I got, you know, the account's looking good, but I got to grow it a bunch. It was at the buffer to start. And then this is an eval that I hit the daily loss limit yesterday. These are the two evals I passed during Thursday's trading session. During Thursday's trading session that I didn't realize I could activate right away. I thought that was only a Project SlipX thing. I'm going to put some protection. I'm going to protect the bag here. Can I get, let me zoom out. 36. Oh, it's 56. I'm going to trail tight, yo. Look at that. The 786. The fibs be fibbing. And I love gold. Keep going. This is where I shoot myself in the foot a lot. Maybe I'll just stay at break even. I don't know. $200 is pretty good. Get the fuck up there. See? Shouldn't have said anything. Keep going. Gold is fucking great. Worst case, I don't lose any money, but I would like it to go back up. Get up, please. Granny. Canute. I've been busy cooking. What up, Jay? See, look. This is so fucking annoying. How many ticks did I have here? I had almost 30 ticks. What did I get filled at? 356. And it went up to 382. So what I have? 260 bucks. Let's see if it keeps. Let's see if it fucking pumps now. Come on, Granny. What is 3,600 times 0.35? 1260. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen. We're coming to new hour fuckery. I would like to fucking get out of this trade with something, but I'm not. I want to leave it down here just above break even so I don't get fucking taken out trailing. And then it, so many times with gold, like I'll be trailing it tight, I'll let go. It'll fucking come down just enough to hit that trailing stop for a gain and then fucking shoot back up. So I'm developing the muscle of not letting that happen and just trusting in the fibs, trusting, what I'm seeing. Like I could draw fucking fibs all day. All day, every day. So here's the last high. Well, let's see right here. It'll be a lot. Where is it? Where are we at? Oh, over here. Come on, pump it. Reaper. Adrian. What up, Nate? Timothy Chapo, Micah, David Schneider. Is this really gonna fucking do this? Come on, don't do this to me, man. What's NQ doing? Just pumping? Look at NQ, just amazing. This was a look at this 786 bounce on the fib on the NQ. We went up 70 points from there. The first move up was 60, and then it pulled back a little bit and then bounced and went up another 10 points. Crazy. Oh shit, I was up 280 bucks. Maybe I should pay attention. Oh, look where it was. Wow, I had 30 ticks. Didn't even know it. I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. Come on, push it, baby. This is happening because of new hour fuckery. I'm hoping it just goes new hour fuckery all the way to my take profit. But I don't know. I'm feeling like I might want to. I'm hoping it goes up a little higher so I can move my stop up and lock in at least like a couple $100. That would be cool. I just don't want to let go of this stop and then it fucking look. See, if I was going to let go there, this is what I'm talking about. This shit drives me crazy. That would have been 29 ticks. Actually, it was 30 ticks from my entry. But that's what I'm saying. As soon as I was about to think about moving it up to lock in some gains, it came right back down. And I'm like, do not come. Desmond, what up? Sean. More fatigue. Corey the phone trader. Yeah, well, that's what happened before. I had an order. Oh my God, are you fucking serious? Oh, Josh, why'd you say that? Don't worry, I got $15. I had an order here at 68, and I missed getting filled by 2 ticks. I took a screenshot, and it pumps like 100 ticks, and then it dropped. I cancel the order, and it blows through my order, drops another 50 ticks, and then bounces a fuck ton. Well, that was a perfect example. Oh, now it's gonna. Gold is such a motherfucker, man. Now it's going to pump. This is what happens. But hey, I didn't lose money. Not yet. But I had $300 and didn't take it. Worst, I mean, it didn't really hurt me, right? Because Lucid is end of day. Didn't hurt me at all. Romel, what up? Stop Run City, what's good? I appreciate it, Romel. Checks in the mail. Checks in the mail. Now, I could do this, right? Expand that shit. Wow, it wants to give it up. See, new hour fuckery is what the problem is here. I'm just going to keep expanding this fucking thing. I'm trying to figure out where the spot is. That's what I do with the fibs. I just expand to the next low, and I just see where it is. That's all I do. You see, guys? Does it want to keep going down? Is this the spot? Let's look at the bigger time frame. By the way, I took a short here. Look how much it came down from that 707. 596, 400 ticks plus. I think we're going to go up. I don't know. Look at that. 254. It's already up 30-something ticks. That's all. Oh, my God. Granny. Nice little fucking bounce right there. What a bounce. It's because it's new hour fuckery. New hour fuckery will do this. Oh, my God. I'm so mad I could just scream. But I'm glad I got out. Hey, you see how many ticks that went down? Where was my order? My original trade. I got in at 56. It went down 100 ticks. I would have been down $1,000. Now it's going to come all the way back up and blow through it. Or is this going to be the new high? And then it's going to reject off the 786 around here. What up, Vince? Paid tourist. Hello. Yeah. That's what happens. It's new hour fuckery. It's new hour fuckery. But hey, I got some breathing room in this account. What else did I do? Oh, I logged out. I just got another flip day in on my. Well, I'll log in and show you, but not right this second. I did this also. I think I. What the fuck? I guess I was trying to zoom in and then like scroll. There we go. You see that? You see, guys, the leader and the follower. I forgot to turn this on streamer mode for your protection. Let me fix this. But look at the balance on these funded accounts that I already got paid on. I'm $1,758 over max payout land. Max payout land to lock in $1,500 worth of payouts from bulenox is $4,100. I'm at $58.58. Crazy. Let me show you. Hold on. Let me fix this. I'm sorry, guys. For your protection. For your protection and my privacy. There we go. There we go. There we go. Is that better? Now I'm just like Top Step. Now I'm just like your favorite coaches on Top Step. Nothing to see here, guys. For all you know, if you're just coming in here, I could be red. But I changed the red to green. You see, guys? Yo, Micah, unprotected. That's how like it starts burning when you pee. When you go in unprotected. Yo, Jim Blob. Kenny. Nice, bro. I love it. Yep. Gold is nuts. You like that, hot shot? Hey, man, I protected the bag. I protected those are brand new funded accounts. So just wait for another opportunity. So this is what, let me show you these accounts. My two funded accounts that I already got paid on. This is what it's all about in the prop firm world. This is, if you're not here yet, and I'm still working towards getting to this place, Holding on to the same accounts and getting multiple payouts from the same accounts is the name of the game. I was able to do it with Trade Day, and then they forced me to go live. I'm still waiting on my live account. But look, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got paid. This is my 10 days here. I took $1,500 from both accounts, the leader and the follower. And then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. I need 3 more days. Really, I need 1 more day of $150 or more. And then the other 2 I'm going to flip, but I'm going to trade them not to lose more than like $150, especially since I have $1,700 of room to fuck around with. So I need 1 more fucking day, which will be Monday. Monday will be day 8. Tuesday will be day 9. Wednesday will be day 10. And then I request if I could get the job done. How hard can it be? How hard can it be, guys? Fucking new hour fuckery. Carlos, what up? Don't congratulate me yet. V33. Hey. Hey there. Hey, smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the fucking channel. Do it for the stream. I stream every day for Power Hour, 2 and through close. This is going to go up. I'm so mad. I'm so mad I could just scream. Now I want to get rid of all these. I don't want to get rid of all of them. I want to get rid of this one. I want to get rid of this one. There we go. Now, I know I'm doing it backwards, but that's how you have to do it on Tradeday. I'm going to this high, but I don't know. Maybe this is the high. If I were to lower this, the 786 would be basically 3 ticks higher than my entry to go long before. I wish I fucking at least got $200, but whatever. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna let you finish. Tyson. Yeah, Tyson, it's 75% off right now with my code. That's the best bulenox is offering right now. 75%, which isn't bad, but 91%. They were doing 83. 91 is the ultimate with bulenox. Rebby. Yeah, I don't trade NQ, man. I mean, I do. The only time I really fuck with the NQ now lately is to play Passer Smash. But I don't know, man. This was a nice clean move right here. Look at this fucking bounce off the 786. What a move. The fibs always play out. There's always an opportunity if you look at the fibs on any instrument. Obviously, the NQ moves all fucking day. Same thing with gold. I'm sure the Fibonacci plays out on crude oil too. But look, I mean, from this 786 bounce, we're up almost 100 points. You see, guys? You see, guys? All right, here's new hour fuckery. Are we retesting the 786 or are we going lower? You see, guys? Let me look here. I mean, we could go down a lot on the larger time frame. That's the last low. I mean, we could. I don't know if we will. Oh, we're at the bottom orb. Look, it's the bottom orb too. Bottom orb. If I draw a happy Fibonacci from, yeah, look, I'm missing it. I'm missing it. You fucking piece of shit. So if I draw a Fibonacci from here, like from this low to this high, well, not even a 618 touch yet. I could adjust that. Maybe this low, maybe that's the right spot. That makes more sense. But that's what you do. You just, it's not that I'm trying to draw it to suit my bias. I'm just looking for where it's really playing out. I expand them. I do more expanding than contracting on Fibonacci's, but you got to look at the smaller time frames too. Look at this shit go. I don't know if it's going to keep going up, but look at that. It retested the 786. It went up fucking 40 ticks. 40 fucking ticks, yo. You know what I'm saying, Alan? Coach Fred. Oh, nice job, man. Gold is fucking great. MRC, what up? Yeah, gold is just better as far as I'm concerned. I stopped trading my funded account. I stopped trading my funded accounts. I stopped trading NQ on my funded accounts. And then in 2 weeks, I made 14 grand in payouts trading gold. I'm sure I just feel like I'm noticing a pattern there. Gold is violent. Gold will wick way below, like gold fucks around too. But gold, I don't know. It does move. I think it moves cleaner. I just see it better. The fibs play out on gold so like all day throughout the day. And I'm a scalper, right? And I don't trade micros, although you could do very well trading micros with gold. If I'm only trading one mini, like I could catch a move for 50 to 100 ticks, and it could happen in minutes. Like, look at this right here. Even this little move, this little 323, that's almost 60 ticks. One mini is almost $600. And then there's other times where you'll get a fucking 80, like this little drop here. This drop was the 786. Watch, I'll draw it here again. From this low to this high, right? Watch this. Look at that 618 bounce too. Actually, no, that's from something else. Right here. 786 rejection. Just that alone. 515 down to 423. Almost 90 ticks. And then it comes back up and retests. If I draw a fib from here to here, it's probably like the 707 or the 786. And then from there, that rejection, 491, we count more than 200 ticks. 200 ticks with one mini is $2 grand. The trick is, can you hold it? Because gold will look at like what it does here. Like these candles are 20, 30, 40 ticks. And this is the 1 minute chart. Willie C. Alfred. Willie trades futures. Forex Elite, what up? I was checking my my Twitter. There's a little bit of fucking there's always drama going on. And I'm kind of involved in it just because I'm part of what was being made fun of. So I was just curious if I got a reply to my fucking comment. You long on gold, no doubt. I like it. I'm just waiting. I'm flat. I do like this 786 here. Also, it made a higher low after this fucking wick. So we'll see. This might be the right spot, but I don't know. This is why I'm chilling. I don't need to trade right this second. But I might I think it might go lower. Yep. I hope you're not in. If you believe in the longs, I hope you're not in too heavy, because you just got like, that was a fucking 80. That was almost a 50 tick drop on that one candle. So now I expanded the fib to the next low, and now we're at the 707. Is it going to keep going down? 786 is right here. We retested the bottom orb and rejected out of it. We broke back into the orb and just fell right back out. See, like from here, look, the fibs, I draw the fibs all over the place. So like from this low here on the 5-minute chart, that's a 786. You see, guys, well, it didn't actually touch it. It might go back. It might go lower. It didn't exactly touch it. I like this. I think this is where I have the other spot too. I don't know. I'm chilling. No need to force any trades right now. Although I could have just went short and been fucking done for the day with these accounts, but whatever. Previous week's low. Free space. Let me fucking, you know, there's so many settings on this this kill zone. I got why did I do that? I haven't had that kill zone on my chart for 2 weeks, and all of a sudden I made all this fucking money. I don't think it's the same. I don't think it's the reason. Wow, look at, we almost retested the bottom orb here and we rejected off of it. It's hard to see because I got all these fibs. I don't know. I'm just chilling. Look. $786. It wicked over to 786 and dumped. If I go here, it's the 707 to this high where this wick is. Crazy. What a drop. I don't know what gold wants to do here. So I'm perfectly fine just waiting. Or not even trading. Follow for a fula. Sitting on the 21. On what time frame, Brandy? Because I got the 5-minute 21 and it's up here. Capital gains. Yeah, I'm chilling. I don't need to buy right this second. I'm waiting. I like to buy. I like to short up. I like to short up high and I like to buy down low. I mean, yeah, look. Look at that. The 786 or the 707, whichever one it is. 60 ticks. Nice. That's a nice move. But I wasn't sure, so I just chilled. Diddy Faded King, what up? Checks in the mail. What a fucking pop. 38, 80 fucking ticks. 80 ticks. This is what I'm talking about. This shit happens all fucking day and night in both directions. These moves. Ron. Thanks, Ron. 384. I mean, we dropped 150 ticks from where I got taken out for a baby game, and I'm perfectly fine with it. Like even this right here, it happens all the time. I see it happen so often. Like right there. I don't know if I want to risk it here. Yeah. I've seen like that, this little fucking thing right here, and it bounces off the 786. I've seen it happen so many fucking times. I just wanted to see. Two, 1, 4. I'm just waiting. Watching, waiting. 618. If I make this a little lower to this low. And like, this is all. No trades. I haven't taken a trade since that little $15 gainer. I'm fine. I'll keep lowering my order. If I never get filled, I never get filled. It's fine. But this might be a good spot. But like, I'll like 80 ticks right there was and then we dropped 100 ticks. Interesting. I go back to this low here, and it's pretty much the 786. And what are we up? 50 ticks? I play with this shit all fucking day. I diddle the fib. Cooking trade is long on gold. CT wraps. You still doing wraps? Trading for keeps, what up? You still do that shit, CT? Sometimes the best trades you could take is no trade. You do that too, Kenny? Oh, I haven't since you've been in Florida. I was just saying, post more content on your channel, but you don't do it anymore. Kenny, when do you have time to do that shit? Look at that. +60 ticks. Or 60 ticks on the money. Video editing does suck. Don't ask me how I know. At least when I was making my videos with Loom, I could watch the video. I could go through the video and edit at like 2.5x speed, but I didn't like the video quality on Loom wasn't that good. So I'm using something else. And now the only way I can edit that I know of is through iMovie. And I can't do that. I can't go faster. So it takes for fucking ever. Oh, you work at a sign shop. I thought you just like put the signs up on storefronts and shit in buildings. But I guess that's wrapping a vehicle is with company insignia is also a form of signage. Gotcha, bro. I knew. Oh my God. Did you see that shit wick all the way up here? Over 100 ticks. Well, there's the bounce. Fuck me. I hate missing. I get so much FOMO. But it's better than being down. $618 rejection so far. Nice, Kenny. Fuck yeah. Hell yeah. Fuck yeah. What's the NQ doing? Wicked below the 786 and bounced. Why are all these moving averages on here still? That's better. I got rid of all those extra. I got rid of a bunch of moving averages. I only have the 34s, the 5-minute 21, and the VWAP. But it defaulted to all these other things. Let's get rid of that. There we go. Pine Tree. Hell yeah. The Hot Pocket. Jim Blob. Isaac, what up? Yeah, I see it, Fred. Oh, wait. You see, guys? You see, guys? What did I'm just curious what Apple finished at. Is Apple still moving? I don't know. Wasn't Apple up like 4.5% after hours? There we go. Damn, this shit went up to fucking 285. Pulled back to 277. So it's up like 4%. Let's see. 7 divided, no, it's up like 2.5%. 6 divided by 271. 2.5%. 2.2%. What about Amazon? What did Amazon finish at? Amazon fucking pumped. Did it come back too? Amazon's still way up there. Amazon went up 30 fucking points. Amazon finished up 30 points after hours. 30 divided by 222. 13.5%. Wow, wowie, wow. Josh. Yeah, nothing to see here. Fucking Amazon fucking AWS, their fucking cloud service that tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of companies rely on for hosting. That shit goes down like completely and it doesn't matter. Oh, and they lay off a bunch of fucking workers right before earnings and then their fucking shit goes up a ton. Rick. How do I deal with the consistency rule? Well, if you're going for it, you gotta begin with the end in mind. What are you going for? The minimum you have to go to you have to grow the account to at least 3,600 to get a payout from bulenox on the first 3 payouts on a 50K, and that's the only account you should be trading. Unless you got deep pockets and don't mind paying $900 for a 250K activation fee. But 3,600 at the very least times 0.4. You could have a $1,440 day and still not violate the 40% consistency rule. However, if you have a day like that, now for any other day to count as a trading day, you have to do at least $288 because they have this other rule that's nowhere on their site that I could find, that for a day to count as a trading day, it has to be at least 20% of your best day. So keep that in mind when you're trying to push that 40% limit. If you're going for max payout land, 4,100's max payout land, you could do 1,640. But now you have to have any other day you want to count as a trading day has to be more than $328. So remember that when you're thinking of fucking pushing it for, on a single day. On my accounts, my best day is 749. So, and it goes by, it doesn't matter what pay period you're in. Like I got paid here, I'm on the second fucking wave of potential payout. 749 times 0.2. I basically got to do 150 or better. And like this day right here on Wednesday, I actually was at 783 and I didn't want to have to grow the account. I didn't want to have $157 days. So I lost money on purpose. Like a fucking, I think it was a great move, a strategic move. So that's the little nuance with bulenox. And by the way, I'm hiding my balance and all this shit for your protection, of course, for my safety and privacy and your protection. Because that's what Top Step does. And if they could do it, I can do it. There must be something to that. Yeah, so exactly. Yeah, it's not anywhere on this site, but you're not the only one that's happened to. It happened to a bunch of people. See, did you see what Isaac said? Isaac is unknown guy 83. You see what he said? He confirmed what I just said. And it's happened to a bunch of other people in the Discord, in the DGen fam. Which, by the way, if any of you guys who are not in it want to hang out with the best community, in the best community on these prop firm streets, let me drop the link in here. Okay, guys. You see, guys, we're trying to get this thing to 1,500 members. Yeah, they keep the buffer for the first 15 minutes. I mean, the first 3 payouts. What am I talking about? The first 3 payouts. But I'm like, well, you can't see it there. Hold on. Let me unhide my balance. When you first of all, the most you can request is 1,500. Anything over 4,100, you can request 1,500. So you're going to request down to the $2,600 buffer if you get to exactly 4,100. I was at like 4,500. So when I requested, I had 2,900, where I was at like 44 and change. I had over $2,900 in my balance. Whoops. There. I'm $1,700 over the buffer. So I'm going to have at least one. I might be at fucking 56. I might be at like, let's just say for argument's sake, I'm at like 56,300 after my 10 days. And I'm going to take 1,500. I'm going to be fucking $700 I'm going to be $700 over max payout land. And then really all I have to do is have 8 days of $150 or more. How hard can it be? But I don't want to get too ahead of myself. You never want to get too ahead of yourself. I still got work to do on this cycle. Sure. How do you know they're not already in there? John. Why not? We got everybody in there. We got people from all over the place, all over the world, all different colors, shapes, and sizes in there. Rick, I appreciate it, man. So maybe I'm not a guru or a teacher, right? I don't sell a fucking course, but I'm hoping my goal is to, at the very least, lead by example and show people that if you don't fucking give up on yourself and you're not too hard on yourself and you put in the fucking time, you see, guys, and you put the fucking time in, you can make it work. If I could fucking get payouts, anybody can. I'm lowering this shit. I don't trust it. I just don't trust it. There we go. You see, guys? That's all. Just map out the new level. I might not even take another trade while I'm streaming. And like seriously, like you guys have seen the struggles I've been through. You guys have seen what I just went through in the last month. It was fucking awful. And then somehow I finished with over $14,000 this month. I did, watch this. Just from the last 6 months, 18,700 May, 7,500 June, 14,200 July, 14,100 August. Let's pretend September never happened. 14,087 October. That's 5 months. 68,587 divided by 5. I'm literally I'm averaging $13,707 a month. However, I did do only 2,000 in September. So $70,000 in fucking 6 months in payouts. 75,887 divided by 6. Even with last month sucking so bad, only $2,000 to make them holla. I'm still averaging $11,764 per month in the last 6 months. If you factor in I did the math. I'm at like, I'm at like, it might be a little more, but let's just say I'm at 99,500 for the year divided by 10. I'm averaging just under $10,000 a month for the entire year. And I had February was only 1,850. Take out February and September, 95,650. Take out those fucking piece of shit months, and I'm averaging $11,956 a month for the entire year. So if I could yeah, it's not profit, guys. We all know that, okay? It's not profit. Am I profitable on the year? Yeah. By how much? Probably not a ton, but profitable is profitable. But I'm just talking from a payout perspective. All I did was put the time in. All I'm doing is putting the time in. You see, guys? And there were people that were telling me, you're never going to get a fucking payout. You might as well just quit. You're a fucking trash trader. You're the worst trader I've ever seen. Why the fuck? You're only on here for your affiliate to make affiliate commissions. You don't make any money trading. Yeah? That aged well. Didn't it? What up, Mo? Yeah, I'll go through my expenses when I need to. But I would like to do a better job of keeping track of what it's costing me month in and month out. Like, so I could tell you guys, right? So I could be like, hey, guys, hey, chat, listen, chat. But, so I could say, in the month of October, I spent $4,753 on accounts, and I brought in $14,000. I want to be able to tell you guys that. So that's going to be, maybe I'll start next month. Maybe I'll start doing that next month. But that will be my goal for 2026 for sure. For sure. But I set a goal this year. Before the year started, I said my goal for 2026 is to do at least 6 figures in payouts, at least 100,000 in payouts. My next payout will push me over that. I might even be right there because it's fuzzy math. Like I'm rounding down a lot of the times when I do these monthly numbers. Oh, did you see that? That was scary. What, 75? Let me fucking lock in some gains this time. I want to see. Let me go to the next low. I want to see. Here's the next low. Here's the next low. This low right here. You see, guys? And then there it is. Oh, what a first day. What a first day. Keep going up, please, Granny. Please. Please. One mini. Look at what one mini does. I'm not saying to trade one mini. Results not typical. Results not typical, guys. Okay, guys? Okay, chat? Thanks, chat. Oh, don't fucking come back here. Come on, go back up. Go back up. Are you fucking serious? Piece of shit. Now it's going to go back up. Oh, maybe not. All right, that's a good first. All right, now we're looking good. That might even, I don't know if I want to say that's a good first day. Maybe I should make that my first day. Right through some fair value gaps. Hey, chat. Hey, just ain't right. Mwah. Hey, chat. What up, Crank? Yo, Isaac, it's only your Achilles heel because you're putting that shit on a pedestal, bro. You know that expression, don't put the P on a pedestal? Isn't that from the 40-year-old virgin? You're doing that with Take Profit Trader. I know how you feel. Hey, let me get into guru speak. I know how you feel. I felt the same way. But what I found is if I just not put it on the pedestal, all of a sudden I started getting payouts. If I stopped giving a fuck. Rock Driller, what up, man? That's right. I do guess my way in and I guess my way out. How much did I have though? 207. It went up to fucking I had another 30 ticks. I was up. Shit, was I up $600 fucking dollars? The good thing about Lucid is it's end of day trailing, so I didn't lose $300 of trailing when it pulled back and took me out at my trailing stop. But I would have liked to have gotten out for more than what I got, but whatever. But hey, I'll take it. I think I want to trade these more, but I got to get ready to go. By the way, Lucid, let me drop my link in the chat, okay, chat? Thanks, chat. My link's in the description for all the prop firms I trade with, and it tells you what deals are going on. Lucid is the 50K test accounts are 45% off, and if you're a new user, first-time users, it's 50% off. All the other plans are 30% off, and if it's your first time getting an account, it's 35%. When you put in the best code ZERODAYJAY. If you want to support the channel and you want to make sure I get credit, put my code in. Because it's the best fucking code anyway. Never an activation fee. You do have the option. You do have the option, chat. Okay, chat? To you have the option to do straight to funded if that's something you want to do. If the option's there. I can tell you one thing. They pay. For those of you who weren't, oh man, this is going to go right back up to where was, oh my God, it blew through it. I know it's going to happen. My take profit is going to get hit. 282. My take profit is going to get fucking hit. Whatever. I'm not fucking around anymore because I got to go. I got to get ready for fucking to go hitting. But check this shit out. I requested a payout from Lucid yesterday, right after the market closed. 518. 519, it was approved, and the money was sent right into my bank account. Look at that shit. You love to see it. Fast as fuck, boy. Fast as fuck. I came back. Corey. Hey, chat. Hey, chat. Pine tree. That's, see what I'm saying, bro? It's fucking great, right? Great job, by the way. Oh, yeah, Micah, I believe you, man. It was just when I requested that day, I got on late. It was on a Friday, that first time. The first payout I requested from them was on a Friday night, basically. So I didn't get paid until like the next day. And then, but then yesterday, I believed you, bro. Of course I believed you, man. Corey got his payouts from, that's right, man. Let's all get fucking money. Let's all get money. Let's get that fucking money, son. What else is going on? I can't wait to get my live account from Trade Day. I've been missing trading with Trade Day. I did too good, too fast. That's what she said. But hey, Trade Day is 30% off with no activation fee with the best code ZERODAYJAY. They're also another firm that fucking pre-populates the fucking coupon code section with their in-house code. Lucid doesn't do that, but they already apply a discount, so you still got to put my code in if you want to make sure I get credit for it. And then with Trade Day, you got to erase their code and put my code in. I hate the fact that I even got to tell you guys, but I got to tell you. I got to tell you. Let me tell you something. Take profit trade is still 40% off with no activation fee. I wonder if Apex is going to do something for Halloween, because right now they're only 50% off. But I'll tell you, if you passed any evals, if you have any past the evals right now sitting in your account, the $85 lifetime activation fee is in play. You could activate your funded Apex accounts for $85 one time right now as we speak. So, okay, chat. Oh, and my funded futures, Matt Leach is hinting at something at the core plan going to be very cheap, I guess, starting tomorrow for some promotion. So when you see that and you want to support your friendly neighborhood degenerate, put in my code, whatever that deal is. I don't even know what it's going to be yet. But Keep an eye out for it. There's my link. Alpine, yo, Alpine, bro. I'm getting off, man. I wish I was hanging out longer. I'm about to get off. I got to go fucking hit. So I'm going to be swinging a bat for the first time since I fucked up my other finger. Got to put in that work, Alpine. There's a lot of noise. There's a lot of noise during the day. Yeah, Matt Leach was hinting at it. Right now, everything is 5% off. But there's no activation fee. That's like your all-in thing. Same thing with Lucid. There's no activation fee. You're all in for whatever the eval costs you. Stoic, what up? So anyway, I got to run because I got to be at the cages by 8 o'clock. So I really should be like getting my shit together and going. They go from 5% to 8%. Yeah. But anyway, guys, smash the like button on your way out for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe to the channel. I'll be streaming for Power Hour tomorrow. I stream for Power Hour every day, 2 through close, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. Sometimes I hop on earlier. Sometimes I stream during the overnight, like right now. I streamed during London the other night. I get on whenever. So I hope to see you guys there. Oh, if you're not in the Discord yet, join the Discord. It's free for now. The best fucking community on these prop firm streets. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you for hanging out. Enjoy the rest of your night. Peace.